From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Although we could complain about the summer heat that's going to continue over the next 10 days locally, no fronts in our future. At least we're not dealing with the tropics, at least for right now and over the next 10 days. So that's the good news. We'll talk more about Jose and Maria in just a bit. In fact, as we look at the water vapor imagery, the big picture across North America, you can see a ridge of high pressure pretty much dominating the Gulf South. Not quite as strong. Periphery of the ridge is broken down with some storms back across Texas, edging into our part of the world. More on that in just a bit. Jose here off to the north. You can see some dry air wrapping around in it. So this is the beginning of the end of Jose, but it's going to last for at least 5 more days, if not more. And then Hurricane Maria down in the Caribbean. More on that system in just a bit. First off, locally, weak ridge of high pressure dominating. That's allowed for southeast winds. We can see that disturbance off to the west of us, producing a fair bit in the way of showers and storms from Houston through eastern Texas. And then some of those showers edging into our part of the world that should be diminishing later on this evening. You can see much more activity back to the west on Power Doppler HD. Few other scattered showers around it about. Strongest activity and weakening now, moving into southern Allen Parish by the Kinder area, right along Highway 165 and the 190 intersection. And it's on and off rain through Highway 190 as you get over toward the Eunice area late this afternoon. Some pretty heavy downpours in Eunice as expected, but notice not as much cloud to ground lightning, so we're starting to see this activity die down, but some locally heavy downpours. This activity will weaken pretty quickly over the next half hour, 45 minutes. A few other isolated showers dotting the eastern portions of St. Landry Parish, perhaps Krotz Springs seeing a little bit of a shower in the next half hour or so. The rest of us should be relatively quiet. As we examine the satellite imagery, you can see the storms firing up, especially across Texas, and really concentrating over by the Houston area late this afternoon. Some localized issues there. Big picture as we open it on up and go over to Hurricane Jose. You can see that dry air around the circulation center. The circulation center's here, so some storms still maintaining the hurricane itself, but this will eventually be moving into cooler waters. So eventually we expect Jose still to stay a hurricane at least through tomorrow, but then weaken to a tropical storm. Tropical storm warnings for southeastern New England. Some breezy weather from Long Island on eastward. Most of the heavy rain stay offshore, could edge into New England, and then Jose will actually do a loop and possibly head toward the mid-Atlantic or the northeast down the road as a weak low, but that could eventually be a guiding factor in Maria. So we might see some interesting effects going on, including the Fujiwara effect, where storms interact with one another. Check out my Facebook post, the latest post. I got a link about that, and some hurricane force winds I'm going to show you right now with Maria. Here's an 18-hour loop with the storm, and you can see we went from barely a hurricane 18 hours ago to a rapid intensification cycle. Another Hurricane Hunter on the way in here, and this looks close to a Category 5, not just a Category 4 storm late this afternoon. So I think further upgrades, 130-mile-an-hour winds right now. The forecast track about 50 miles, 75 miles south of Irma, so islands that were spared in Irma may not be with Maria. It looks like a direct hit for Puerto Rico, and look at these numbers, close to Category 5 strength. I think we might see a couple of 5s in here on the 10 o'clock update tonight at 10, so tune in for that. And then barely going through the Turks and Caicos, then in the open Atlantic, and can't tell you where it's going to go, but if I lived in Florida all the way up through the mid-Atlantic, I'd be watching maybe even the northeast Maria very closely. This is the swath of hurricane force winds and the probability of being in the high risk area for hurricane force winds. San Juan, Virgin Islands, all 70% better chance of hurricane force winds. And this is actually looking at the European model, and we get to Category 3 and 4 for Dominica, Guadeloupe, and then just south of St. Kitts, some hurricane force winds there. And then we get to St. Croix. Not good news, showing Category 4 strength winds in St. Croix, possibly major hurricane winds in St. Thomas. And then Puerto Rico gets a direct hit with a Category 4 storm, brushes in northeastern portions of the Hispaniola, Dominican Republic. Turks and Caicos get hurricane force winds. This is the European model, not official, but gives you an idea that this one is going to be a major damaging storm. Locally here, fair skies later on tonight. Fog developing by morning. That's the way it's been the last several days. Partly sunny, partly cloudy skies with a pop-up shower at lunchtime and a few more showers mid tomorrow afternoon. And by this time tomorrow evening, it quiets down, and that temperature and heat index situation does not change. fog redeveloping again for Wednesday morning. So showers ending early, warm and humid out there, 75 the low. That's just right for August, not for mid to late September. We're getting into the latter part of September now. Still feels like August tomorrow. Hot and humid temperatures about 1 degree cooler than today. 30% chance of getting wet by those afternoon storms. And the summer-like scenario continues even though fall officially gets here Friday afternoon. Staying hot through the weekend. Maybe a little bit more comfortable into early next week, but definitive cool fronts not on the horizon. And I think there will be more storms after Maria in the 10 to 15 day period, but where that will be, too early to tell. But I'll be watching the Northwest Caribbean closely. I think there's another storm or two left in the Atlantic Basin before all is said and done.
Before November.
Well, hopefully over before November.
Hopefully so.